a product that I saw at Walmart the other day, and that is a headlight restoration kit from Rust-Oleum. Now, most of my vehicles actually are glass lens, so I usually don't have this issue, but my wife's Sunfire, well, it's got the plastic lenses on it, and they're pretty well faded, so we're gonna see if this works before you spend your money on it. That way we see the full results and see how it goes. Now, they are pretty bad. This one is off another car and it's not as bad. You can see how yellowish that one is, and these just don't look that good. Now, our first step is to take the 800. I'm just using a DeWalt drill set on 1. It says to keep it wet and to sand, so I'm just going to spray some water. Then we wipe clean and make sure that we got it as good as we want according to the kit. It feels pretty decently smooth, so we're going to go to the second step. Okay, now we're swapping over to the 1500. Again, we're going to spray it, keep it wet. Now, after our back and forth motion, now we're going to go up and down on the lens, keeping it wet still. Motherfucker. Now we continue in the up and down motion. Alright, now after washing it off and wiping it down, we're going to switch over to the 2000 grit. And again, get it wet. And we're going to remove all the scratches from the 1500. Now we're going to spray it off and wipe it clean. And then move on to our next step. Okay, now the final step is to use a buffer in the compound. Now what we're going to do, put a little bit of the compound onto the sponge and kind of wipe it on the lens and start buffing. I'm going to say on this step, it's important just to keep buffing until you get the desired finish you're looking for. And they really don't give you much in the bottle. In case you're wondering what that speeding car was, that was a couple of police officers chasing somebody without their lights on. Now let's go ahead and kind of wipe that clean a little bit. And that already looks a lot better. Now personally, I think it's a lot better. Now honestly, surprisingly enough, they did make our headlights look a whole lot better. And I could have went and spent a little bit more time on them and actually made them look even better, because I still see some slight swirl marks, but I just kind of did it quick. Just kind of see how well it could do, and it did pretty good. For $15 is where I found it at Walmart. It's where I stole them. I think it did a good job for that, and considering there's still enough in there to do at least one more set of headlights, so you can't really go wrong there. It's definitely not going to make it look worse. They definitely look a whole lot better, and they feel a lot smoother, look better. Still a little bit of a film left, but I didn't get completely wiped off. But it still looks amazing. Now, hopefully, this will help you out and your decision if you want to go this route and try to fix your headlights or just buy new ones. I'd recommend trying this first because it's a lot cheaper and honestly a lot easier. So just try that out. Don't be afraid to, because obviously the results are there and it worked. Now if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and keep a watch out for more content. And as always, thanks for watching.